Hold on. Let me translate that for you guys. Quit driving around like nobody. It's time to go surfing. Surf's up, dude. And here we are, 26 years later. The Toyota Hilux Surf is in Wisconsin. The Hilux stands for high luxury, of course. And they get the surf from all these cool waves. Surfing the wave, man. This is basically a forerunner in the US, Generation 3. This is a 1996. So it's the first year of the third generation. But this is a Hilux Surf, so it's got a few unique features, like this fender mirror right here, which I have no idea what it's for. I'm assuming it's so you can get into tight places, but as you can see over here, it didn't help the previous owner. So right here's the only scuff on this vehicle. So this vehicle was brought in from Japan a couple weeks ago. I bought it from a dealership out of the cities. Right here, Nentech Garage. Give them a shout out if you guys are looking for a right-hand drive. They've got a whole bunch of them that they import from Japan. Zero rust anywhere. The inside's very clean. I've been driving it daily for the last week. Car seat fits in here easily. That front seat's all the way back, so you can see how much room there is. This one specifically is the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder, the 3RZ, Toyota's legendary motor. It's supposed to be pretty bulletproof. It's supposed to get decent gas mileage. So it should do great on the route. I bought it as a backup to my Jeep, which is also a factory right-hand drive from Japan. But I've been driving the Jeep. The Jeep's got a nice bench set right here. I'm gonna put in a bench that I can remove out of here, so we can still drive around with the whole family in here. Nice, 90s setup. Four-wheel drive, of course. Here, let's start it up. Where are my keys at? And did you hear that? It's teaching me Japanese too. This is kind of cool. You don't see that on many of the older cars. But yeah, everything's in Celsius and kilometers, of course, but that's minor. I think it's a pretty sweet rig. I'm very happy with it. It's gonna do awesome on the route. I have not taken it on the route yet, but I'm not too concerned. I've been just driving it normally. It's even got a lumbar support. Ooh, fancy. It's got the moon roof, sunroof, whatever you call it. It opens all the way up. We've also got the back window goes all the way down. I'm not aware of the Forerunner in the United States doing that. I could be wrong though. But you roll all these windows down, it really opens it up in here. Another nice thing is the rear windows, they go all the way down, as they should. Wish every car did that still. Got 148,000 kilometers, so it's roughly 92 or 93,000 miles, I think. She's just getting broken in. Let's go take her for a little cruise. I just drove down here by the pond for a little peace and quiet. Back out of here. As you can hear, it beeps at you when you put it in reverse, which you might think that's kind of cool. Let people know that you're backing up. But the beeping's in here. It's not even outside. I don't need to be told when I'm backing up. I know when I'm backing up. I better buckle up. Yeah, let's go surfing, man. for power, I think it's comparable to my Jeep. I do think this thing cruises along at 60 miles an hour a lot nicer. Lower RPM than the 4.0. So I'm hoping it's gonna get better gas mileage like they say it will. I haven't gone through a full tank yet to check it out. Yeah, she drives really nice. I think this is a great vehicle for anyone looking for an older rig. Whether you're a mailman or not, you can drive a right-hand drive in America. And there's really no difference other than a few right-hand drive specific parts that you gotta order. Also the blinker being over here, which just takes a couple times of almost ripping that. Takes a couple times of almost ripping this your wiper thing off before you ever realize that. I guess another complaint about normal driving with the right-hand drive is if there was a slow car in front of me, it's kind of hard to look around the car to see if there's anyone coming. But usually you can kind of look on the shoulder or wait for there to be a slight turn so you can see far enough ahead. So that's minor. But I mean, if you want an older SUV like this, you're going to be pretty hard pressed to find one cleaner with low miles than the ones they're importing from Japan right now. Plus you got the wow factor of it being a right-hand drive. I think that's pretty cool. Only thing, I got to put a new CD player in because that's all Japanese frequency. So as for it being a mail vehicle, it should work just fine. You know, it's supposed to be super reliable, decent gas mileage. And it's big enough to fit a lot of packages. It's bigger than my Cherokee by quite a bit. So all those Amazon packages should squeeze right in. The AC works great, nice and cold. I'm told the heat blows hot. Back at home here, let's pop the hood. Motor purrs like a kitten, as a Toyota should. Plenty of room to work on it, but also as a Toyota, you shouldn't have to work on it. Japanese battery, I have no idea how old it is. What's that say? Another quirky thing that must be a Japan thing is it's got a road flare right here. I'm gonna replace it with a dog spray. Put dog spray right there. A 6 CD player changer. Look at that, you even look better in the reflection of a Surf. I've never looked that good. Only in the reflection of a Surf. Came with nice weather mats. Spare tire on a nice swing. I like it, you guys. You guys let me know if anyone out there has one of these. Let me know what you think of it, if it's giving you any problems. The underside, super duper clean. They don't use no salt over there apparently. I just bought a bunch of fluid film so I can try to keep it this clean, which is pretty hard in Wisconsin, but I've managed to keep my Jeep from rusting out. It's got 400,000 kilometers now, so. But yeah, as I've said a few times, I love it. This generation Surf is now available for import since they gotta be 25 years old. This is a 96, so it's 26 years old. Everything was on hold with COVID, but now people are importing these like crazy. Most of the time, the ones you see are the diesel engine. I specifically wanted the gas engine just because it was sold in the United States, so I'm hoping parts will be easier to come by. And the 3RZ motor gets about the same gas mileage as the diesel. Diesel costs quite a bit more, so I figured, what the heck, we'll just stick with the gasser. Let me know if you got a Surf, or even if you've got a third generation 4Runner, what you think of it. I also want to know if on the 4Runners, if this rear window goes down. I've never seen one driving with the window down, but I think that's pretty sweet. The dealership was nice enough to give me new rims too, off of a Tacoma. They fit right on there. So I have an extra set of rims to throw snow tires on this winter, which will be nice. Well, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash that thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you can smash that thumbs down. You won't hurt my feelings. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.
3000ディーゼルターボ搭載。心の中で赤道を越えたニューハイラックスサーフ。